So special thanks to this company for sending us this bracelet to unbox and show you. Be a great gift idea here. Thank you, packed for you with love. So your star, handmade with love. And then, wow, very nice. What is this? So this is like a little way you could write a note. Comes with that. That's pretty nice. You could write a I love you note or something like that, depending on who you're giving it to. Looks like a nice cloth here. And then you can see here, Morse code bracelet that says I love you. So if I take it out of this little packaging, wow, very nice. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So that is the bracelet itself. And if you can tighten that, and then yeah, so this is essentially what the bracelet would look like on someone's wrist. Nice little gift idea for your dad, for your loved one, and it does have a very nice leather smell to it. It looks really good. I actually like the look of this. I would totally rock this. So thanks again to this company for sending us their Morse code I love you bracelet. This is essentially what you're going to get. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.